Hello, it's another week. And this week we're going to be looking what will be happening to the market for the next coming week, which is going to be beginning tomorrow Monday, which is 13th of May, and it's going to end on 17th of May. For those who are not aware of our Telegram channel is located. The link of our Telegram channel is located on the description, so you can visit our Telegram channel to see more results of of the analysis of the past week, so that you can also take chances of this analysis for this week. Remember, we provide training on how to do this analysis, so you may contact us through our number so that you can continue. Okay, this week we're going to be looking on the same or the following pairs, and the following pair is ZAR USD or gold. The gold is still in an up move. We're anticipating it to continue moving up, and the reason behind is because first of the double bottoms which have already been completed, so we are waiting for the market to break and retest. So we find our entry so that we can continue moving up. So the market movement for the coming week, what are we expecting it to be doing? It will be to make a move and retest here, and the break and retest, then we'll be having a such move toward that point. So our targeted area for the coming week, it's this point. Okay, let's move to another pair. Another pair which you're going to be looking is AUD JPY. AUD JPY last week we were looking at bearish, and this week also we are looking for selling opportunity. And when we are looking at AUD JPY, it has done like a break of the certain support or resistance here, and it has already retested, so we're expecting it to continue moving down. So our next target for the coming week is this price, and the reason behind it is because of this double head and shoulder, reversal head and shoulder pattern which had happened in the past. Yep, let us look for another pair. Another pair is CHF JPY. CHF JPY also last week we were looking for a sell, and this week also we continue looking for a sell, since the market has already broken a support and it has already retested and it has touched the trend line which we can see here. So we are anticipating for it to continue moving down toward this point. So next week this is our targeted area, so we will be selling this pair, CHF JPY. Let us move to another pair. Another pair is EUR JPY. EUR JPY for the coming week, we are expecting it to be doing the following move. It will be going down. And our targeted area, it is this point here down. And the reason behind for us to target that area is because first there is like double tops, and also the support has been broken and retested the neck of the head of the double tops, so we are anticipating it to continue moving down for the coming week. So our targeted area, it is this one. Okay, our next pair is GBP JPY. Yeah, for GBP JPY also we are anticipating it to continue moving down, and the reason behind it is because of the neck which has been broken. We had like triple tops, or other can term it as a long-term consolidation, which we consider it starting from this point. It make a move, it came down, it make a move, it came this way, it came this way. So it has broken this support or the neck of the triple tops, so we're expecting it to retest, then to continue moving down. So our entry point most of the time we'll be considering at this point. So we'll wait for the market to move up, then it will go down, and this will be our targeted area for the coming week. Also, another pair which you're going to look at is NZD JPY. For NZD JPY also, we will continue looking for a selling opportunity, since also the market has broken a certain support or resistance and it has retested, so we're anticipating for it to continue moving down. And the big reason behind, if you remember, The big reason behind, if we extend this support or resistance to this side, we are the first shoulder, we are the head, we are the shoulder, second shoulder. It has broken, it retested. Now it is coming down, it retested, so it's continue moving down. So this is our look for the coming week. Another pair which we'll be looking at is USD JPY. Also USD JPY, still waiting for confirmation, but for the coming week also we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. As the market continue, we have double tops here. Now the market is still struggling to overcome this neck. So what are we expecting is for this market to break this point and then retest it, then we continue moving down. So our next look for the coming week, it's gonna be looking for a selling opportunity in USD JPY. Yep. And on CAD JPY for the coming week, we are also expecting it to continue moving down, since we were anticipating of the double tops formation. Now the market has tried to break like a support or resistance, then it has retested, so we are anticipating it to continue moving down. So for the coming week, this will be our targeted area, this point here down. Yep. Let us look for another pair. This is CAD JPY. Another pair, it's gonna be Euro AUD. For Euro AUD also this week we'll be looking for a buying opportunity. And recently the market will, what we are anticipating, if it breaks this zone, it will retest it and continue moving down. But high probability our targeted area is this point, at this point. But there is also another view which can happen, but this is our high probability direction. Another view which might happen, it might do certain move, this one, such move. The market might move to this point, then it will fail to break it, then it will come back to this point, then it will move up. Let me delete it and show you very well. Yeah, what we are anticipating highly, it's that it will reach this point, it will break. If it breaks it, it will reach to this point, whereby it will be coming to this trend line and this support or resistance. Then it will continue moving up. So our high probability entry for the coming week, it's either waiting for the market to break this trend line, then we will sell toward this point, or we will wait for the market to break this support or resistance, then we retest. This will be our entry point, then we will target this point here. Yep, our next pair is, this was Euro AUD. We move to Euro USD. Yeah, for Euro USD coming week, we are targeting very far. The point where we are targeting for it to move towards, it will be from this point to this point. So the reason behind for this move is because we have already seen a double bottoms, so we are anticipating for the market to continue moving up. So this will be our target for the coming week. Also, let us move to another pair. This was Euro USD. This was Euro USD. Euro CAD. On Euro CAD, for this coming week we'll be buying it, as there is a trend line which has been broken. This downtrend, it has been broken and retested, so we're anticipating the market to move until this point for this coming week. And the reason behind for it to continue moving that point, that is our targeted area. But if you have clear picture, you can see a double bottoms. So when it's break, it retests, you can continue moving until this point. But for the coming week, our target is only that point there. Yep. Let us move to another pair. This was Euro CAD. This was Euro CAD. Another pair which you are going to look at is Euro CHF. Yeah, for Euro CHF, as we can see there is like a formation of triple tops, 1, 2, 3. So the market has already broken this support, so we're waiting for a good retest, then we will enter, and our first target will be this point for this coming week. Yep, this is Euro Chief. We're done with it. Then we move to Euro GPB. Yep, sorry. Let us move to Euro GPB. Sorry, let us move to Euro GPB. We are looking at Euro GPB. Yep, I'm very sorry. Yeah, let us look at Euro GPB. Yep, on Euro GPB, for this coming week also we are looking for a buying opportunity, since there is a clear double bottoms at this point and there is a trend line which has been broken, so we're anticipating it to continue moving up. So the trend has already changed. It's going to be bullish for the coming week. This is Euro GPB. We are done with it. We're looking for another pair, which is Euro NZ. Yeah, for Euro NZ this week, we're anticipating it to move down. We'll be considering it moving down. And the reason behind for it to move down is because on the big picture, if you can see very well, there is like a formation of first this is shoulder, then when you come to this point, this was the head. If you have clear eyes, it's because my screen is very small. Now we're anticipating it to be looking for another shoulder formation so that it can move up for this coming week. So for this coming week, we'll be anticipating it to continue moving down until this zone here. It will be moving to this point, then move up. So this is an overview of our next week analysis on the pair of JPYs and euros, JPYs and euros. So let us list next week. As we can see the results in our Telegram channel.